I'm Michael So. Born in Hong Kong. I moved to New Zealand when I was 16. Spent around 7 years in New Zealand. After that, I started to live in China and Hong Kong, in between these two places. I have business in Hong Kong, China, and Malaysia right now. Maybe your boss, but not mine. No, just kidding. I don't think so, but I'm sure that your bosses are all using AI right now. You need to pay for it. You have to consider whether it's worth it or not. Since there are over thousands of AI tools around the world, many of them come from some startups. They may not be very sufficient and may not be well tested. So I still consider that you should always use the big brands. Certainly this is a bias because the source of data are from Western countries. They don't, most of them. This is why when you use them to get the answers, none of them can be 100% correct and accurate. So you should always check. I don't believe AI can replace any industry. They will be automated. They will be using more AI to do the work on behalf of humans. No-brainers jobs will be done by AIs. There will be AI employees. So all of us will have to become a management or project manager to manage those AIs. So their AI agents work for you. As I always say to all the different interviews, saying that the industry can use more AI, will become more advanced. That means that like accountancy, they do accounting, they can do more details work, they can check more detailedly because they have AI. They can do something more fine-tuned and more high-level work. You have more time now because most of the donkey works will be done by AI. Simple enough. Understand AI and learn how to use it. As I said, there are thousands of AI tools right now. There are different revolutions coming in. They are saying that the AGI will come in very, very soon. That means that they do have humans' level of thinking. So if they start to have that level of thinking or IQ or ability to work, then you must need to know how to use them instead of still use the old way to do works and being slow because they are super fast. Now we do have the chatbot. We ask them to do things. We ask them for questions. Later on, there will be robotics. There will be robots everywhere. Most of the car industry, car factories are using robotic arms to do the installation of the hardwares. So later on, the robots will come into consumer market. Everyone may own their robots, assistants, or maid to help you to clean up your house, help you in a warehouse to lift the heavy boxes. Eventually, will we really need to do daily work, go to work? I don't think so. We will probably all work at home, work from home, and then having the AI online and talk to each other, work with each other. What we need is human sense of humor, sense of logic, sense of ideas. Everything like this will be more important than just the daily routine works. AI can handle anything. It really depends on how you handle your data. That means that if you put your data onto some unknown AI system, certainly this is not a good idea to do so. It's very dangerous. But if you can have your AI system set in your office, your own server, we call it on-premises setup, then the data are always very safe. Hong Kong is a cross-border in between Hong Kong and China. It's very, very special, I would say. So if we are doing any AI business in Hong Kong, it is very convenient for those AI companies to access overseas data and having overseas users to come in and use their services online. So certainly Hong Kong has a very convenient or special position. All businesses need AI, come on. I know AI do not give you the exact answer, but at least they will give you a framework of how to think about the problem or issue. If you are talking about doing biotech, cell research, or something extremely technical, then AI should not be able to answer you. But they will certainly give you an answer how to find a way to go into your question and tackle it. So this is how the AI can help you. The impact are not so significant now, but certainly AI depends on hardware. So if the AI trade war maintains, it will impact to the AI industry.